Yeah, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to today's edition of our Forex live trading. If you're just joining, make sure you smash the like button. Yes, if you're just joining, make sure you smash the like button. Make sure you drop your location where you are joining us from. Let's get started. Ladies and gentlemen. Hello, so let's get started, ladies and gentlemen. If you're just joining, make sure you drop the location you're joining us from. Okay, without wasting much of our time, let's quickly go straight to the point. Let's see what we have on our watch list today and any opportunity we have today. Let's see what the markets have in store for us, okay? So, right now, I'm looking at something on GU. Remember what I said on GU? I said if GU wants me to actually take it, I'm giving it a last chance for it to remain in my watch list. If you give me I'm going to wait for an A setup, which most of the time I usually take an A setup. If you give me an A setup, I'll take it and see how it's going to play out. So the way it's going to play out will now determine if I'm still going to leave it in my watch list or not. So right now I'm waiting for a break of structure here. After getting the break of structure, I'll get my inducement and get my entry. So but for now, let's allow it to continue cooking. So now AUD what do we have on AUD today? AUD we've been on this trade since when? I think since on Tuesday or what? Yes, since on Tuesday. And today is Thursday. See the way it's playing around. Remember, my trade management rule is set and forget. So I'm still in this trade and I'm going to leave it. And I'll be optimistic in as much as the what's it called? The point of invalidation is still intact. With the way this trade is doing, I might get out. It's looking like it has actually taken out this point of invalidation and retracing. Anything that makes it come lower now, I might want to get out of this trade. If I've seen this before and when it comes here, I will have get out. The same mistake I did on US oil, but it's okay. Let's move on. I'll be looking for a way to get out of that trade. Even this one too, it has stopped here. So therefore, all these trade, I can invalidate them The only trade I would say we have for this week that is doing well is GBP card. That one get close to our TP and start reversing. This week has been sort of, kind of, but of course, we'll still manage to make sure we stay in profit. So gold, what do you have on gold? Right now, AUD USD, I'll be looking for a way to get out from AUD USD. At the same time, I'll be looking for a way to get out from USD JPY. But both of them has actually touched the point of invalidation. So I wouldn't be surprised if they later come down. USO did the same thing yesterday. So do you have anything on gold yet? No. Anything on GBP JPY? No. Yes, no. So I've got this trade, but I don't want to deal with internal structures. That's why we didn't cash this buy. But it's okay. Just like what I posted today in the Telegram channel, it said your job as a trader is to find the best trade, not to trade every day. It's only few that understand this. So that is what you are seeing that is happening right now. That is what you are seeing that is happening right now. I greet you, Mr. Suraj. How are you? That's what you are seeing that is happening right now. Digital Baba, I greet you specially. You decide to show your you decided to show your name today. So moving on. So CHF JPY, nothing serious. We're waiting for this setup of CHF. I'm very, very optimistic about this setup. BTC has played out already, and what I was expecting for BTC to do here didn't finish doing it. So therefore this setup is also invalidated. It has come for the inefficiency. Even if it breaks structure to the downside now, it is invalid. It is invalid. So let's move on. Nothing on Ethereum. Ethereum is not also cooking yet. If you go on lower time frame, we will see all this internal structure. We might see an opportunity there, but no, I'm not dealing with lower time frame. I'm sticking to this because this gives you peace of mind. We are waiting for this setup on AUD JPY also. CHF JPY, AUD JPY, we have a good setup we are waiting for there. DPP card is in profit. Optimistically, we are expecting it to actually hit our TP, and the US oil. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about on US oil yesterday. You know, the US oil took out this high. I know for certain that it's going to actually take it out. So thank God I have a stop loss that is wider. So when it comes back down, I was asleep. I was waiting for it to come back down so I get out at break even. I was asleep before it finally hit me out. So that's just me being transparent with you guys. So that's that about that, ladies and gentlemen. That's all about that. So internet messed us up this morning. Internet messed up. I don't know why the internet is doing this like this these days. I don't know why internet is doing this these days. The link I shared first, a lot of people will be using that link now, but the link is now void because internet has cut down. I have to restart again and the link will have changed. That's why we are not having people here right now, because they will have been to the other link and it will have told them that we are done with the live session. Meanwhile, we have not even started at all. MTN will be shake. What's the sense of all the money one is paying all these fucking people, and they'll be giving somebody a poor service? So, but all in all, give glory to God. We stay happy and we stay grateful. So, nothing serious, ladies and gentlemen. I'll be getting out of AUD USD. I'll be getting out of USD JPY because they have touched my point of invalidation. I'll be getting out of all of them. So if you are also in this trade, if I now later see the trade go up or this one sell, I won't mind though. because I'm trading my plan, I'm trading my discipline. So that's what matters. That's what matters. I know the US oil that I got the loss at the GBP USD. I'm going to break even it when this one hits TP, because I've had 2 losses this week, GBP USD and US oil. So if this one hits TP now, I'll have break even on those of both of them. So I'll be back to my normal account. But all these ones, I'll make sure I close them at the point of break even. I'll make sure I close them at the point of break even. Even USD JPY now is close to my break even. So guys, let's just call it a day from here, unless if you have any question. If you don't have any question, let's call it a day from here. That's one. Then secondly, we are continuing our mentorship session after this. So if you are watching this and you are part of the mentorship students, we should be having our session after now. Should be having our session after now.